Hello and welcome to our video on kitchen exhaust hood cleaning. A clean kitchen exhaust hood is essential for maintaining a safe and healthy kitchen environment. In this video, we'll be showing you the step-by-step process of cleaning your kitchen exhaust hood, as well as tips and tricks for maintaining it in top condition. You must subscribe to the channel before watching the video. If you want to watch such videos, please like, share, and comment. Step 1. Preparation. Before you begin cleaning your kitchen exhaust hood, it's important to turn off the power to the hood. This can usually be done by flipping the switch on the hood or by turning off the circuit breaker. Once the power is off, remove any filters from the hood. These can usually be washed in the sink with warm, soapy water. Be sure to rinse them thoroughly and let them dry completely before reinstalling them. Step 2. Clean the hood. Using a damp cloth, wipe down the exterior of the hood, being sure to remove any grease or grime. For tough stains, you can use a small amount of degreaser. Be sure to avoid using abrasive material, as they can scratch the surface of the hood. Once the exterior is clean, move on to the interior of the hood. Use a damp cloth to wipe down the interior, being sure to remove any grease or grime. If you have a hard time reaching the interior, you can use a long-handled brush to help get into tight spaces. Step 3. Clean the ductwork. The ductwork is the system of pipes and vents that carries the smoke and fumes from the hood to the outside of your home. It's important to keep the ductwork clean, as a buildup of grease and grime can be a fire hazard. To clean the ductwork, you'll need to remove the cover of the ductwork. This can usually be done by unscrewing it or by releasing it with a latch. Once the cover is removed, use a stiff brush and a degreaser to scrub away any grease or grime. Be sure to wear gloves and a mask to protect yourself from the fumes. Step 4. Reinstall filters and turn power back on. Once the hood, interior, and ductwork are all clean, it's time to reinstall the filters and turn the power back on. Be sure that the filters are dry before reinstalling them. Step 5. Maintenance. To maintain a clean kitchen exhaust hood, it's important to clean it regularly. A good rule of thumb is to clean it every 3 to 6 months, or more often if you use your stove frequently. Additionally, you should also be sure to check the filters regularly and replace them as needed. In conclusion, that's it for our video on kitchen exhaust hood cleaning. We hope you found it helpful. Remember, a clean kitchen exhaust hood is essential for maintaining a safe and healthy kitchen environment. Thanks for watching.